Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. It's a 2006 year model, and I'm going to upgrade the interior light with LED, and these interior lights are really nice. You can use these lights through Bluetooth. You just need to download app for your Android or iPhone. This is very easy to do it. These interior lights are by JDM or JD Master. I'll provide the link under my description in case if you are planning to upgrade your HUMMER. Let's get started. LED interior light. These are by JDM ASTAR or JD Master. It comes with installation instructions. These are LED strips, and we can take it out one of them. And these strips has double-sided tape. We're going to remove it and we're going to stick these on. Long wiring. Then it comes with the power, plugs into your lighter. This is the fuse. A lot of tie wrap. And this is the Bluetooth. This is the Bluetooth LED controller. We have two choices of power. The first one is you plug into cigarette lighter, or you can use fuse and then you can use this one to Bluetooth. But we're going to use the option with the cigarette lighter. There are 4 LED strips and it has connector in. There are 2 smaller wires and 2 are the longer ones. The longer ones for your rear and the smaller ones for the front. This is the Bluetooth controller switch. It has 4 connectors. The long wires and short wires you plug into controller switch. Other end you plug into the LED strip. And it's as for the orientation, this one has one small tab and this one has a cut. So we're going to plug it in and we're going to push it in and it will locks in. You can put the LED strips wherever you want. You can stick it up here. You can stick it down there. The way I'm going to do it, there is a metal bar under here, right here. I'm going to use it. Quick test, plug into the lighter. This is the lighter switch. Press it, it will turn it on. And when you press it again, it will turn it off. The other end of connector will go to the Bluetooth controller switch. I'm going to turn from the cigarette lighter where the plug is, which I shown to you. We're going to press it. And this is the way it's going to turn the lights on. Then we need to download the app on your iPhone or Android phone, and then you can change any light, whatever you want to. This one has a protective film, so you need to remove that. After removing the plastic film, we're going to remove the double-sided tape on the LED itself. Once you pull this one out. This is very easy, very simple, and that's it. Just press it lightly. The double-sided tape sticks really nice. So this is how it looks, and the wiring gonna go right inside. It's going to look really neat. And now I'm going to turn it on. You can see it. It looks really nice. It looks beautiful. Let me show you on the rear, then I'll finish up the center side. Now we are on the back of driver's side seat. The easier method is bring your seat all the way in the front, so that way this exposes the bar right here, the bar I'm talking about, and this is the LED strip. We're going to place it right here. The other main wire which is gonna come from the front, this is right here underneath. We're just going to pull it like this, and we're going to connect it into LED strip. It locks in, and now we're going to remove the tape, and I'm going to place LED strip right there, just like that. Perfect. And then just press it a little bit. Don't press it too hard. So once it's nicely attached, this is perfect. You don't need to do anything. But as an extra precaution, you can use a tie wrap, because after some time the double-sided tape will come off, it will dry off. You don't need to press it too hard. Just we're going to put tie wrap right here, just like this. That's good enough. Then I'm going to use one more tie wrap on this side. As I mentioned, you don't need to over tie it. This is perfect. And I will cut the ends. The LED strip is installed. As a tip, please use a tie wrap. I used 2 tie wraps. Then I use a 2 tie wrap, I can close them, on the wiring. To cut these extra ends, this much wire going to be exposed. And on this side, I did not even open the center console. I just put it, my finger, and just pressed it. So the wiring is behind this, the side partition. And the same thing, I did it all the way, and now I'm in the front. I will show you how it looks in the front. I'm going to turn it on to show you the LED. This is how it looks. And now I'm going to bring the seat back. Now I'll show you the wire, how it looks in the front. This is the side panel. The wire is right underneath. I just pull it up here. Now I'm going to open the center console, and I'm going to bring this wiring, and I'm going to drop all the wiring right here along with our controller switch. As I'm done on the driver's side, the LED front and the back, and I'm going to do the same thing on passenger side. Then I'll share. I'm done with the installation, and it took me only 15 minutes. It's very easy, simple process. This is a great upgrade for Hummer lovers. Once you're going to see it, the performance, you're going to say, I want to install it. These LEDs are really good. I really loved it. It's a broad daylight. I'm going to show it to you right now that how they look, but the actual performance I'm going to show you at the night time. They are looking awesome. And I'm going to provide the link under my description, like I said earlier. If you like it, please check it out. The JDM Master have done a good job with these LEDs. You need to download an app from your app store, which is called Happy Lighting. And that one has millions of combinations, you know. From the phone, I'm going to start it. On my iPhone, I already downloaded it. You can control the Bluetooth from, you can see it, from the phone. You can adjust the speed the way you want it. You want a green strobe, you want a blue strobe. There are so many. You need yellow strobe. I mean, so many combinations. And if I go, this is a really nice one, red and blue. This is a green and blue. This is a red green. This is the white. So this is the app, as I mentioned. You can control from here. It will turn it off. You can turn it on. Then these so many combinations. I mean, you need to look at yourself to believe it. And this is the speed. You can adjust the speed according to you. So since the two wires coming from the back are really long one and the front ones are smaller one, I wanted to keep them in a secure place. Put all the wiring inside your gearbox cavity. And this is very easy. Use a plastic pry tool. We're going to pry from one end on this side, one end on this side, and then right in the center. The cup holder or gearbox tray hold with the 3 tabs. Now the next step will be to remove the gear shifter. And it's a very important tip, put your parking brake on. Then put your key in number 2 position. Then press the gear shifter and bring it all the way back. Then use a Torx driver and open the screw. Lift the handle out So after pulling this out, we're going to bring this up. So that's how you remove it. As for the wiring, into the cigarette lighter, I run through the wiring from here, and if we look at the wiring, I left as is, so you can see it how the wiring coming. I'm going to press with the pry tool and it's gonna go inside. So what I did, I put the wiring inside, and there is so much room. So I put the tie wraps and I put the Bluetooth connector also here, and it's nicely fit. And that's how simple and easy to put the wiring. The LED interior lights are installed, and there are two ways to install it, as I had shown to you. One, you can do it through the fuse box, which literally I really don't want to do it. I just wanted to do it with the cigarette lighter, and which is much easier and much convenient way to do it. Now it's the evening time. I'm going to show you how the lights look. They look beautiful, and I will show you the app. I have iPhone and Android phone, and we're going to download one app which called Happy Lighting. This is iPhone, and we're going to go on the App Store. On the App Store, we're going to press search, and we're going to write down Happy Lighting. So as you can see the Happy Lighting, we're going to press it, and this is the app. I already have installed on my iPhone, and we're just going to open it. And we're going to see my device. If we click on my device, there is no device attached to it. In order to make this app work, we need to turn key to number 2. I'm going to open the Hummer, and we'll put the key in. We put the key in number 2. As soon as we did it, you've seen it shows up. It's already paired. This is the iPhone, and now I'll show you on Android. To open the Play Store, and on the search bar, we're going to say Happy Lighting. So as the Happy Lighting shows up, we're going to click search. We're going to select the first one, and we're going to install it. And we have to accept it. This is a very small app. It's a 4.73 meg, and now we're going to say open. It's already installed. And these are the instructions. You can follow it. You can scroll through. You can look into these. This is very simple. So we're going to press OK. And it says the Happy Lighting is asking to turn on the Bluetooth, and you're going to say allow. So we can check on the top, see if it's paired. On my device, it picked up. So it's already paired. Now I can show you the Hummer. Now you see the lights. They are working. We're going to change it. You have so many options. You can change the light to green, to red, to any colors. I mean, change it. Then we can make that very bright, and we can change the speed of the light. So we're going to start the rapid rainbow transition, and you can check it. And you can choose the speed. If you need to slow, then it will work slowly. If you do fast, you see how the lights are changing? It's so beautiful. This is I'm showing to you from outside, and let's just sit inside and see. Look at the lights. It's so nice. It's so cool. It's very bright. You can see everything. The speed, the flickering. These lights are really cool. I really like it. If you like to upgrade your own Hummer, as I have upgraded my Hummer, and I'm going to enjoy these lights. These lights are from JDM ASTAR or JD Master. These are really good lights. I like it. And I'm going to upgrade my other Hummer also with the same light. So I hope this video going to help you out in your DIY upgrade. And if this helped you out in any way, please like this video and subscribe, share. And I'm going to see you soon with the new things. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.